Hey guys, welcome back to this video. My name is Steven, and in today's video we are going to be doing a jump rope workout. Now this workout is strictly for beginners. I mean, if you're an advanced or intermediate jumper, you can do this workout. However, what we'll be doing here today is only the basic bounce workout, okay? Just have fun with this. You know how I do it, but for the course of this video, we are going to be doing 32 counts and then we break for 16. All right, so without wasting time, let's jump right into it. So like I said before, it's 32 beat counts and then we take a rest for 16 counts and then jump back into it. When you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, basic bounce. All right, that was our first count. We probably might do this about 5 times, hopefully. I don't know how long we're going to do this for, but like, let's just flow with it, okay? And jumping into the second round, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, second round, let's go. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, I missed that last one, but yes, if you did it, a round of applause for yourselves. We're still going strong. You ready? Are you ready? All right then, let's go. All right, that's our 4th round, if I'm correct. Good. Round of applause for yourselves if you've made it through this far. We're still going strong, you know? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's our 5th round. A round of applause for yourselves. You've made it 5 rounds, 32 beat count. I hope you're ready for more though. Okay, let's go. Round 6, 5, 6, 7, go. All right, woo. So just so you know, we have 4 more rounds to go. Yep, I know, we have 4 more rounds to go, so that is a total of 10 rounds. Are you ready? Round number 7, are you good? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, whew. 7 rounds so far. We have 3 more rounds to go. Yes, yes, yes. You've got this, 3 more rounds to go. This is round number 8. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. We are almost at the end. 2 more rounds to go. Come on. Look, if you're tired, you can pause this video, take a break, and then come back and join me. But if you're still strong, let's do this. Round 9. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right. So this is going to be the last round, and I need you to put your backs into it, like give it your all, because this is the final round. Are you ready for this one? Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Jump to the left, jump to the right, jump up and down, let's get it right. A lingo, let's jump and flow.
Final benchmark. All right. Yo, you have just completed 10 rounds of the 32 beat count method. And just so you know, you just did 320 skips. A round of applause for yourselves, and I can't wait to see you in the next video, which is probably tomorrow. Yeah, whenever you see it, you see the video, but yes, thank you very much. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, comment on this video what you enjoyed the most from this workout, and also subscribe, and please, 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 please share this video. Thank you very much. It's Steven, and I'm signing out. Peace.